Okay, so it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and we still have snow coming down. It's kind of loud, sorry. I don't know if you can see, but the waves are really, really heavy right now. And high tide is supposed to start at about 10 o'clock. So those waves, you can kind of see, well, kind of, that little dark band, that's actually the wall. That's about 3 foot high normally, but the waves are forecasted to go up over that wall and onto the street. This is my balcony that obviously, as you can see, I use Isis as a point of reference. Hi Isis. The snow is as tall as her, and it's not as bad over there. It obviously blew this direction. So yeah, I've got the door open, so you can, it's kind of pretty much ice at the moment. I'm going to do a walk through here. Okay. You can look out here. This is out my bedroom window. If you see that little round kind of curvature, a plow did not go through there. The wind was coming around and whipped it around that house, literally in a perfect arc. And that over there, those little trees you see, is actually a retaining wall, so you can see how tall the snow is there. You can kind of see the waves crashing. And then we'll go out the back window, which behind my house. Cars are literally buried except for that one. It just blew pretty much all the way in the back. So, and if, I don't know if you could see, but it is still snowing and we have another big band coming. So there you go. There's an update of what has happened on the beach during a blizzard.